Bachelor of Science Major and Bachelor of Science Honors. What's the difference in the Faculty of Science? The four-year Bachelor of Science Major degree is our most flexible and popular degree program. This can be taken full-time or part-time and is highly customizable. You can design your degree around two areas of interest with a major and a minor, a double major, or you can choose to focus on one subject area with a major only and no minor. A major is referring to your primary area of study with specific courses taking up approximately half of your overall degree. A minor is a second, smaller area of study with specific courses taking up approximately a quarter of your degree. Whether you decide to focus on one subject area or two, you will still have plenty of room for option courses that can be taken from almost any subject, whether that is science or non-science. This is a great opportunity to explore the hundreds of topics and courses that the U of A has to offer, and maybe even find an interesting course that you didn't know existed. A four-year Bachelor of Science honors degree is our most academic stream, and it provides excellent in-depth training in one specific field of science for students who are interested in scientific research and are considering graduate studies later on. This degree can be taken full-time or part-time, and students must maintain a higher average than those in the major program. The biggest difference in honors is the added senior research capstone project, which is built right into the degree during the final year of study. Whereas in a major program, research is optional, but it can easily be added by taking research-specific courses. And you can see that your honors subject takes up a bit more than half of your total degree courses, since you'll be taking a deeper dive into your chosen subject area. Honor students can now add a minor subject to their degree. However, this might be a bit tricky to fit with some of the honors and minor combinations and wouldn't allow for many option courses, if any. If you're looking to add a minor to an honors degree, this can be done after first year by talking to a faculty advisor. If there's another area of study that you do want to focus on, you can always fill up your option courses with that subject area instead. It just wouldn't be an official minor. The mathematics and finance, psychology, and urban planning honors programs are non-direct entry from high school. What this means is that you need to start in a different Faculty of Science program first and take 1 year of specific courses in order to apply and transfer to one of these non-direct entry programs. The specific courses are listed at uab.ca/programs and at the back of the main U of A viewbook. Whether you choose a major program or an honors program, we have 29 areas of study and a wide breadth of courses with hundreds to choose from. If you choose to add an optional minor, it can be from a different Faculty of Science subject, as long as it doesn't overlap with your major subject. For example, you can't have a major in physics and a minor in astrophysics. Or you can add a minor from a different faculty. Whether you really want to combine chemistry and drama because you're interested in movie pyrotechnics, or physics and ancient and medieval studies because you're interested in recreating historical battle scenes, or even paleontology and Russian because you're interested in uncovering fossils in Siberia. There are over 1,600 different major-minor combinations, so be creative and follow your passions, whatever those may be. Students can have a minor in business. However, this is non-direct entry and will require 1 year of specific coursework first. Admission to the Faculty of Science is assessed based on your average marks from 5 core high school subjects. We encourage students to apply early as admission is competitive and typically in the high 80% to low 90% range. This will be the same for both honors and major programs. All science programs require English 30-1, Math 30-1, 2 grade 12 science courses, plus 1 other grade 12 course. Students may need additional prerequisites for certain areas of study, which can be found at uab.ca/sci-prereq. For example, a neuroscience degree will require biology, chemistry, and physics 30 in order to register in the appropriate courses that are part of the program. An applied mathematics degree will require Math 31 calculus, physics will require physics, and so on. A computing science degree is the only subject that doesn't have specific prerequisites outside of the admission requirements listed on this slide. Ready to apply but still not sure whether a major or an honors program is best for you? You can always start in one program and transfer to another later on in your degree. A common question we get is whether an honors degree is best in order to go on to graduate studies or medicine later on. As I mentioned, an honors degree will prepare you very well for a graduate studies degree since there is an added research component built right in, but major students are still able to do research and qualify for graduate programs as well. When it comes to applying to medicine, the medicine program at the U of A, it actually doesn't matter what program you're coming from because there is other admission criteria that they are looking at and not whether you did a major or an honors. I hope this information has been helpful, and we look forward to seeing you at the University of Alberta in the Faculty of Science.